Here it is. The Xbox Series X. It took DHL long enough. Should have been here yesterday, but hey, we'll let them off. So this is going to be a very quick, basic unboxing, a real unboxing, shall we say. I'm just going to have a quick look at the box. Obviously, we're looking forward to that 4K. It's got the 1TB SSD now. I had the Series S, which anybody who's got a Series S knows has a serious lack of space. So a quick look at the box. Nothing much on that side. Obviously on the back, Power Your Dreams. Xbox seems to love that slogan, not Microsoft I should say. Got a few bits here talking about Game Pass, access to different games. It's obviously talking about the Velocity architecture, which I'll get into in a later video. This is purely just an unboxing video. And then obviously there, it says the fastest and most powerful Xbox ever. Well, we will be putting it to the test, that's for sure. So a little bit on this side. Again, talking about your 4K gaming. It actually does 8K HDR, so it's 8K HDR range. The Velocity architecture again, it's actually got a 4K Blu-ray player in it. It's got a variable refresh rate, and as we mentioned, that 1TB SSD. It does actually say that it includes the Series X console, which I'm kind of glad about. A nice new wireless controller, ultra high speed HDMI, and wireless networking capabilities. There's nothing really much to shout home about, but hey, let's give it a go. So, anybody who knows a peel loves a good peel. So we've got the first one. It's quite a stiff on that. As I said, true unboxing, never been opened. If I open it and there's a brick in it, you can look out. One down. Any more on that side? Yep, we've got some more on this side. It's one thing about Xbox and Microsoft, they do like these hard peels, although I am really glad so far, touch wood, that we've not actually ripped anything, because I quite like the box. Nobody wants a ripped box, so as I say that, it's going to rip on me, this one, isn't it? Oh no. There we go. One more to go, hopefully. Let's have a look. Ew, last one. Alright, make sure nothing else yet. Seems nice and free. Okay. So, let's see if we can do this. Is the lid going to touch the camera? Oh, I think we might be lucky. So, okay, here we go. Let's have a look together. Oh, it's just going to touch the camera. Just move the camera slightly. There we go. Wow, okay, so as we said earlier, Xbox do love it. We can actually move that camera down in a bit now so you can see it a little bit better. Power Your Dreams. As we said, they like that on the back. I'm just going to leave that till last. I'm just going to open all the compartments at the back, as we all know what Xbox like. So, hopefully, we've got a lovely Xbox Series S and X new controller. You know, nothing much to shout home about. A couple of nice AA Duracell batteries. Although I've never understood why they've never gone to an integrated battery like obviously PlayStation and the likes have. But I did hear on the grapevine, and I may be completely wrong with this, that they actually have an agreement or a partnership in place with Duracell, which means that they have to sell controllers that require batteries, and they have to then ship controllers with Duracell batteries, which is why they've never gone to a rechargeable battery. But yeah, you know, feel free to prove me wrong. So yeah, standard, nothing out of the ordinary there. As we like, the days of the big power brick have gone. You know, we all remember those big ass power bricks that you had. So they've gone now. We've just got a nice slim line, what I used to call radio plug. You can see that. There we go. We've got the lovely new ultra high speed HDMI connectors, which is what we like. A little product and warranty guide, you know, that everybody reads, just in case you guys want to read. There we go. Nothing else in there. We do have a little, you can't quite see it. Let's see if I can move all this out the way for a second. There is actually, that's quite a quirky little, just a sticker, but I'm going to show it you anyway. Just on the inside here, it does say ultra certified cable for ultra speed. So ultra HDMI speed with a QR code, a little holographic sticker with what looks like a serial number on. So interestingly, maybe all their new HDMI cables are serialized. That's kind of cool, especially if you're a bit of a tech geek like myself. So let's have a look. Okay. Oh, hey, she's quite a weighty beast. Let's give it a lift out. We didn't want the box anyway, which is fine. So there we go. There's a nice little tab there. Oop, a couple of another little peels. One there. One there. Now, is it one that opens up? Oh yes it is, okay. Now, by the feel of it, I'm going to say this is going to be the bottom. Oh yes. Of course it was. So there she is. Xbox. Got a little USB port on the bottom here. Obviously the disk drive, the Xbox button. Yeah, she's nice. Got a little Xbox decal there. You might not be able to see that on the camera. If I can pick that up for you guys. There you go. The autofocus isn't the best on this. And then on the back, obviously, we've got ourselves the storage expansion port for Microsoft to rob us of even more money. HDMI out. And yeah, I suppose the only thing, yeah, I don't really need it with this, but obviously I used to miss the old HDMI throughput, so you used to be able to put your Sky in that throughput. Long gone them days now. Got a couple of high-speed USB ports and an Ethernet cable. So yeah, I've told her she's done. Let's just stand it up so you can see the top. It's a shame really, I don't think you can quite see the green. Oh yeah, you can see the green on the inside of that. So yeah, rather simple. Rather simplistic viewpoint. As I said to you, we will be getting on to other videos where we start talking about the velocity architecture on the inside of these things, which is unbelievable when you realise what these things can actually do. So, quite a simple unboxing, quite a simple little bit of kit, a little bit of advertising there for the Duracell, you know, for the batteries that they have to include. Even though, actually, does it say Duracell? It does say, yeah, it actually says Duracell OEM on there. And I think that's about it, folks, yeah. Got our lovely little Xbox book that I shall definitely not be reading. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this first video. We've got a few more in the series coming up. I'm going to do one where we talk about, as I keep saying, the velocity architecture inside of it. Obviously, I'm not going to open it up. I'm not that kind of crazy. But I will do some product demos. We will get some full 4K because I've got a nice 4K screen to run it through. And we are going to be doing some streaming at some point as well. So we're going to do some live streaming just so you guys can get a look and feel for it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And yeah, give us a subscribe. All the best.